Should I give the welcome and intro, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. We would like to wholeheartedly welcome each one of you for the ongoing mental health webinar series 2020-2024. And this is on behalf of the different organizers, the Yellow Pond Counseling Center, Nolambur and Pallikarne, Chennai, the Deccan Positive Mental Health Practitioners Association, Telangana, and the Department of Psychology, the American College of Madurai. Today, we have reached session number 1745th one, and the topic for today's session is Be Useful and Be Yourself. I'm sorry, it's Be Yourself. And I would like to introduce our honorable resource person for the day. A very, very warm welcome to you, ma'am. Miss Kusum Tiwari, ma'am, who's a holistic healer, dynamic meditation healer, spiritual mentor, motivator, transformer of life. With that very, very short introduction, I would like to hand over the session to you. Floor is yours. Over to you, ma'am. Thank you so much once
Thank,
again for accepting our invitation. Thank you.
thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. And good evening, one and all. Happy New Year to all of you. Uh, so it will be very interactive. I am audible?
You're audible.
Ma'am, you're audible. Yes, clear.
Yes, ma'am.
And my PPT is visible there, na?
Yeah, it's visible. We are seeing all the slides. If it's okay, you can proceed, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So, as the topic is be yourself, because now in this critical world, if you are thinking that how to be with ourselves as we are, na, it is very difficult, quite difficult. But it is easy. We can understand that there are so many quotes that define that to be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is greatest accomplishment. So you should always think that why being ourselves is very very important, because today's world there are so many people, so much energy, and they are different with each other, and they try to make us also like them how they are. So you have to think, you have to realize, first of all sit with yourself and realize that whatever I am doing or whatever I am, I am true to myself. First of all, we should understand this. Second, in my PPT there is why being yourself is important. So I'm asking this because it should be very interactive also. You can write on the chat box that why being yourself is important, why this topic is important that I have taken today. Because I am finding that we are always we want to do something and we are not able to do 100% as we want to do. So be yourself is try to be whatever you are thinking, how you are, you should think that. If you are not thinking and you are not living your life like that, so it is not a proper way of living, I think so. And lots of stress you will get. You alone are not enough. You have nothing to prove to anyone. Because, see, if people are saying you alone are not enough, but I would say that you alone are enough. If you think, if you will see, if you will accept how you are, the world will accept as you are. So, you alone are enough. You have nothing to prove to anyone. Why to prove anyone? Now, I will tell you that be yourself is also a powerful phrase, and it encourages individual to embrace their authenticity and uniqueness. And being yourself means embracing your true nature without prediction to be someone you are not. It involves accepting your strength, weakness, values, and passion, and living in alignment with them. Whatever values you are having, whatever weaknesses are there, don't tell anybody your weaknesses. You should write down on a paper or on your diary that what are your strengths and what are your weakness, and then value, find the values, what values you have inculcated from your family, from society, from your friend, and from your own self, and what are your passion, and be aligning with that all the things, strengths, weakness, values and passion, align with that, and make one rhythm of your life. Now, I will tell you why it is important, because being yourself is important to self expect acceptance. When you accept yourself, being yourself allows you to accept and love yourself for who you are, and flaws also, your flaws also will be accepted by you only. So if you will see the flaws, you will improve that, you can improve that, no need of saying anybody else. Then I should add a second point also, authenticity. Authenticity is also important because it builds trust and credibility to others, also leading to deeper and more meaningful relationship, because nowadays relationships are also in a very very depressive way. Nobody is doing faith on each other. Nobody have that unconditional love also, because if they are with you, they want something with you. So this is not the proper way of deeper connection in relationship. And third point I will say, confidence, because embracing your true self can boost your confidence and self esteem also. So all these things are I am talking because in PPT there are something, and I am talking because this is I think so ki this we should give the importance, and we should maintain this in our mental for our mental health also, and in our diary also. So fourth point is mental health, because see, if you are not proper with yourself, you are not knowing what you want and what are your needs, then your mental health will be disturbed. Trying to be someone you are not can lead to stress. Always see this generally with me also happens sometime, ki if anybody has told me to do like this and I am doing like that only, then stress is coming, because I am doing that work na, I am not with myself. So trying to be someone you are not can lead stress, and it lead anxiety also, depression also. Being yourself can improve your mental well-being, so it is very very important for your mental health also. Now challenges also, you have to face challenges, because why people struggle to be themselves. First of all, they have fear of judgment or rejection. The fear of being judged or rejected by others can hold you back from being your authentic self. Na? And second point is social pressure. So social pressure, what is this? What I mean is ki social expectation and norms can make it difficult to be yourself, because see, society is there, but they are living in their own way and zone, and they are making you bound that you should do like this, this is not the correct way, and if you will ask with them then what to do, and this is my situation going on, and what should I try, what should I go with, they will say according to themselves only, na? So this will also create a problem to you. And self doubt is also there, ki self doubt and negative self talk can make it hard to accept and be yourself. So if you are always self doubting on yourself, always talking negative to yourself, then it will be very hard that how you are you will not accept yourself. You will always compare with others, and comparison will not give you proper result. Lack of self awareness also, because if you are not aware of yourself, then it will create a problem. And desire to fit in all, please others. If you are not fitting anywhere else, so you want to fit and you want to make what their needs are, how they want you to be, then this is also will become very very problem for yourself only. And pleasing others is also a major difficulty that arrives. So tips of be yourself is self reflection. Take time to understand your values, passions, and strengths. Now, let go of expectations. Second is release the need or to meet others' expectation and focus on being true to yourself. Whatever you are, however you are, you accept first of all, because God has created you and God has given you unique power, which is different from others too. So always if you are comparing, now don't compare negative thing, always compare what positive and what different thing you have. Why God has chosen you to be like you be what complexions, what your height is, and what your language is, how your voice is. This doesn't matter. You accept how you are, because you have chosen your body also, you have chosen your everything. So accept yourself and be grateful for the God, that whatever and however you have made me, you have given me power to change also. I will change myself, and I will groom more and more, but I accept myself as I am. Now third point is practice self acceptance. So let go of expectations, I told you, and you have to practice now what? Self acceptance. Treat yourself with kindness. How, yeah, whenever we are talking to others, we are so kind, we are so compassionate, and uh, we should do this practice to ourselves also. So treat yourself with kindness, compassion, and acceptance also. Accept. Whenever you do mistake, accept. Yes, I have done mistake, and please go and say sorry. Sorry to yourself. And mirror therapy is the best therapy. You should uh, stand in front of mirror and you look yourself and don't feel guilty. The mistake you have done, there is reason to do that mistake. So you go through that, you try and to understand why you have done that mistake, and accept it, and then see that a positive change will come to you. And I will tell you one point more. Surround yourself with positivity. Spend time whenever you are spending your time. So you should take 10 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour for yourself, and spend time with people who support and accept you for who you are. Because see, so many peoples are there in our life, no? But everyone is understanding us. Even if you all are we all are facing the problem that your family, your spouse also is not understanding sometimes. So you should have that power, you should have that uh, we spend the time with the people who support and accept. uh, they should know you, they should accept you for who you are. Now, being yourself is a journey. It is a journey, and go through it. Self discovery is there, acceptance is there, and empowerment is also there. Because when we are not doing anything correctly, now we can empower ourselves. So, by embracing your authenticity and uniqueness, you can live a more fulfilling, confident, and meaningful life. Remember, you are enough just as you are. And I have given in my PPT, I will share this PPT on group also. Some example like Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs is also a very uh, life challenger. He has also gone through many phases in his life. And after that, we can learn from his life that career serves as a treatment to the power of innovation, perseverance, and passions. And his legacy teaches us to continue to inspire and influence people around the world. He has done too much to for the society, for us. And he has also faced many problems in his life. He was also not a very perfect man, but after all these weakness, he has tried and tried and tried, and he has given us this Apple phone and iPhone, touch
Excuse me,
screen
ma'am.
phone.
Your screen is not changed. Video is not seen.
Yeah, yeah. I'm Wait just a minute. Maybe network issue, sir. I am sharing.
PPT also not seen. Change.
This is next one. I have explained this, and then
Yes, ma'am. Now okay. Sorry for interruption.
no, no, it's okay, okay, sir.
Yeah, now it is clear, ma'am.
It is
If
clear,
it
na?
is, yeah, yeah. Otherwise, na, if you are telling without seeing face and all this thing, as if we are not able to, it will not impress us more. Now, okay.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. So, see, as I am talking, there are steps of embrace authenticity. So, self awareness is there. Reflect on your values, strength, and passion. As I told you, accept imperfections, whatever imperfections you have. Embrace your faults as part of your unique identity. So, always see positive, we are seeing positive to others in others na, so we should see positive in ourselves also, ki what positivity I have, what uniqueness I have, beside all flaws. And set boundaries also, learn to say no, and you should value yourself, you should give your needs value. So always do this, set boundaries, and seek genius connections also. Surround yourself with the people who support you truly as you are, who accept how you are, whatever flaws you have. And practice what always practice courage. Take a small steps to express your individuality. If you have something different, you should share it. You should always speak up. You should say, don't keep in your mouth. You should deliver to your family, to your near your surrounding and all. Now, I have given this also. Now, we will do some interactive activities also. So, I have put in my PPT overcoming challenges, addressing criticism with resilience, managing fear of failureness. I have explained this, balancing authenticity with adaptability. You should adopt whatever your mistakes and flaws are there, or whatever you have, you should adopt that. So now we will do this interactive activity, and I will give you exercise. Write down three qualities that make you unique. You should write in the chat box so that we can discuss on that. And second is how do these qualities influence your interaction and decisions? Whatever we have discussed now, so how do these qualities influence your interaction and decisions? So I want this key, we should do this, and we will get different type of results by doing this practice and exercise. Perseverance never give us the empathy. Okay. Write down three qualities that make you unique. Okay, somebody has written, I don't compare to others. Very good. It means you are giving time to yourself. Everybody participate this passionate for learning. Very good. Uh, Pandya Bhaiji has written, I love myself. Good. Self-realization and to know who I am. Good. Full satisfaction. Okay. I find happiness in little things. Stay happy even. My purpose is life to help others. Okay. I am determined and enjoy the process. Empathy, self-love, desire of forgiving. Very good. So many nice questions are resilience, creative, sharp to learn, forgiveness, and forgetfulness. I'm very happy that everyone is participating. I love constantly learning new things. I think that you are enjoying also while doing this activity. And you can search more and more uniqueness in yourself also. And see, we will find ki how we are unique with others. Then we will understand each and everything very easily and clarity will come. Otherwise, we are not understanding ourselves, then how we are going to understand others? Emotional intelligence. Okay. Yeah. So, uh, never give up, adaptable, understanding. Very good. Shubhangi has written, live in present moment. Yeah, very important. It is very important that you should feel the present moment. And if you will leave the present moment, then you will enjoy. Now, conclusion part is that key take away just authenticity leads to a more fulfilling life. And if you are fulfilled, then no need of anything else in your life. And your closing, I will close with the thought, your uniqueness is your superpower. So never ever give your superpower to others, because nobody understand you much more than you. So whatever you are, you should accept, you should understand, you should keep the awareness of that. And please, you should be always accept how whatever flaws you have, whatever weakness you have, so that your mental health should not be disturbed. And nowadays many people are facing this problem. So please take this responsibility of yourself. You are taking responsibilities of others. You are doing a lot and lot, especially women and men too. They are join in hand. They have different type of responsibilities. They are facing so many problem in life also, in society also, and they are dealing with this critical world also. But beside this all activities, you are main important, you are main character who is playing part. So always love yourself, always love your uniqueness. And you are unique, you are God's masterpiece. So always accept as you are. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. It's a wonderful session with be yourself. So it's going to be a good awareness how we have to be ourselves, and how, as you made to convey the message of present is very much important than the past and the future. The good message
Yeah.
gave. The floor is for interaction. Those who are willing to interact, we welcome you.
You can give your ideas also.
As far as ma'am, for the interaction sake, we have more minutes also. For the interaction sake, we can say if the present moment is there, even though the present moment is there, some kind of a inner feeling, the continuation of a work will be in the past. So
Yes.
during that time, how we are going to be ourselves, it will be something difficult. So we will be stick on to the past than the present because of certain causes. So how we are going to balance that?
See, if you are accepting your past, then it will be easy to live the present. But if you are not accepting your past and you are always going through that whatever trauma has been in your life, or whatever problem you have faced, so you will never live in a present movement. For that, mindfulness practice is there. You should always engage yourself in a good relationship, good communication. You should set up healthy boundaries whenever you are thinking, or whenever you are going past. And where some past are there that we can't forget, no? So you should always, but you have to make practice na. So for that practice, what you have to do, you have to be what you have to do, mirror therapy. You have to write diaries, and you have to do mindfulness exercise. Like this you can overcome, ma'am. And so many people have overcome like this practice. Even if I am also, I have done also many things, and I overcome from that.
Yes, ma'am. As far as the image concerned, you talk about the mirror therapy. So for the image and some kind of the love failure, we use the mirror therapy. Love yourself and be yourself. Most of the teenagers, they used to be with our peer group. They are so beautiful in the makeup. So why don't I do these kind of a makeup and to do these kind of the costume? So in this case, the difference between be yourself, be myself, and be like others. how it is going to be balanced with myself.
Practice of self-care, ma'am. Because see, if you're feeling that you should go with makeup, you should try this and this dress, and it is making you happy, it is feeling you better much more, then you should go for that. Because there is nobody has said that after this age you can't do like this. But the whatever, see, whatever practice you have do, you should aware of that na, ki whatever you are doing, really you want to do that or not. So your, what is your mental status? Because see, freshers, you are talking about teenager, they are just growing in their age. So they have lots and lots of energy. They don't know the society, they don't know what problem are they are, their parents are providing all the things to them, so they are doing like this. But we have faced, we are facing problem also, we are knowing the society, we have family matters also, we have personal matters also now. But how we are aware of, how honest we are with ourselves, how we whatever we have done, how acceptance we have, how empathy we have with ourselves, these all activities should done by an individual, so that they can do lots and lots of creative activity in their life. Because see, I have told you na, ki Steve Jobs, he has also faced so many problem. And even if there is one lady also, Rosalind, she has also faced, because she has a dark complexion, she was not well enough to speak more. And she when she started to do that fashion and makeup on her face, everybody was criticizing her, or everybody was saying that how you are looking very ugly and all that. But after all this, she has faced problem. I mean, she has done lots and lots of work to herself, because she was knowing what society is, what people are, and what my desires are. So you should know the feeling, desires, thoughts, whatever you are having inside you. And if you are aware of all that, then you can overcome with any problem, ma'am.
Thank you. Ma'am, Jyoti Mankar made to have the good memories of the past can be refreshed in difficult times as they cheer up you up and improve your moods, whereas bad experience should allow to let going by forgiving. Only then one can be functional. In reminiscence therapy, also the past experience are refreshed. Thank you, ma'am.
हाँ मैम, लेकिन I have seen this, because many people has done past therapy also. They are removing their your image, negative image, they removing from your mind. But it is not sufficient, because many people got depressed after that also. So I have faced this problem also. Many people came to me ki I have done this, and that then on also I am not. Because see, you can't, you are not changing your atmosphere. The people around yourself is the same. And if you are removing some images from your mind, so it will not give the proper result now. Because the same thoughts you are having, same energies you are having, and same strategy you are following, whatever your practice daily routine are, you are doing that only. So I have seen problem in this also. So open mindedness, I think it is very important. And new ideas, I should suggest that new ideas should be there. Because if you have new ideas, so it doesn't matter, you will always groom, you will always do positive changes in your life also, and in your relationship also. So be approachable, and be open minded, celebrate diversity, and include many uniqueness, and embrace yourself, exercise lots and lots, and your background, if you are having on background good images, you should go through that also. I think so, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Others like to interact? We welcome.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Come on. Come, sir.
Yeah, as you said, authenticity, uniqueness, it will be our superpower, na, ma'am?
No, sir. Everybody has a different superpower because
Uh-huh.
uniqueness is different. So I can't say this. I am telling only what to follow. How what types of things we can follow. I am telling. Be authentic means कि every individual is authentic in different way, na? And every individual has values differently. So according to that, I am speaking.
Okay, yeah, good. Ma'am, one more thing I wanted to clarify. So, when we think in some direction, always there is a conflict between our conscious and subconscious mind. So,
Yeah.
how to overcome it? Can you throw some light on this?
See, subconscious mind and unconscious mind.
Conscious,
They will
conscious.
conscious mind. They will disturb you, sir. Because
Yeah.
see, for that, what is the nadi practice is there. For that, what you do, chakras healing is there. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
for that you have to go all those therapy, because if you are following that therapy na, so you will recover. And even if because I am from Brahma Kumari, and
Okay. Uh-huh.
do these practice a lot and lot, and by this we are easy to face any problem. Baba gives us good strength and stamina, so that we can cope up every situation. So I will tell you ki, for that, what you do when you are sleeping, when you are
Mm.
going to bed, and you are about to sleep, then you give the positive message to your conscious mind,
Mm-hmm.
and
So, we
then
have to give positive affirmations.
yeah. And it will work a lot, sir, because within 7 days you will get the result. But be positive, presentable, matlab, when you are doing, you should wholly and solely present what you are doing. You know that. And if
Mm.
you are doing like this, in within 7 days, you will get the proper result. And after when you are waking up, when you woke up, sir, at 7 or at 5, when you woke up.
5 o'clock. 5 o'clock.
So 5 o'clock, if you are working, then also you whatever thoughts you have told, na, you should repeat that thoughts, affirmations, and
Mm-hmm.
see, after doing this practice, automatically that will come.
So, our mind is tuned brain.
Yeah, because see, in that past life regression and all that, they are doing the same practice, sir. They are
Mm-hmm.
always, they are asking you what happened in your life, and then you are saying, and then with the machine, they are knowing each and everything, and they are speaking, but it doesn't resonate to all the beings. Every being is different, and I told you, we are all are unique. So
Mm-hmm.
we can't say that this practice is much more enough to you. There are lots and lots of practices, and we have to understand which practice is good for me. So for that, we should know ourselves. What is my need? What is my circumstances? What is my problem? How emotionally weak I am. For that, you have to do lots and lots practice, and easily you will come up with all the problems. And your body
Mm-hmm.
and your soul will help you, even if.
Oh,
Yeah.
madam, even the meditation and following spirituality also will help us.
Spirituality to must for everybody, because every being is a spiritual, sir. Not just you have to follow Brahma Kumaris only. I will not say this. Whatever your inner self is about whatever you are liking, because see that lightning will give God only. We see na God is light. Every dharma. Uh, we see we are different, we are in India, there are different religions, so we follow different gurus and gods and all, but ultimately one God is there, light. And we in Brahma Kumaris also we are following that only, and we call him Shiv Baba. So whatever you will get, you will resonate with whom. If you are resonating with Ganesha, go with them and go. He will enlighten you, he will give you the light, he will show you the path, what to do for yourself. For that only, be yourself is important, because when you will sit with yourself, then you will understand that what is life, who you are, and what for you are, and from where you came. All these things you are going to understand. And if you will not sit with yourself, then problem will arise, and you will always compare with other persons and all that. So and always
Yeah,
be happy.
yeah, really good, ma'am. Good suggestion. Good suggestion.
Thank,
Hmm.
thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. With the permission, ma'am, can I go for VOT? Because most of the feedback is very wonderful, and they may to give the psychodynamic therapy, including dream work, may help, and acceptance and commitment therapy towards the goal and commitment. Work on CPT, sir. So plenty of feedback is very much good towards the session. Thank you very
Yeah.
much, ma'am. Can I go for VOT?
Thank you.
Ma'am,
Thank you.
one question can I ask? Last question.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Carry on.
Ma'am, how to overcome this egoistic state?
First of all, we should understand what kind of ego I have. See, ego are different type. In jealous also ego come, and ego is good also. Sometimes it is good, and sometimes it is bad. So we should understand what type of ego is there. If we are criticizing others, we are we have comparing quality, or we are dominating others, then it is negative ego. And we should practice more and more how to recover. And for that also, what you do, see, you this mirror therapy can do anything, because within 3 days you will get the result. You stand in front of mirror when you woke up in the morning at 5 o'clock, and stand in front of mirror and say, I am egoless. I am egoless. I am egoless. And
Okay.
see, your mind will find out which type of ego you are having. You will get this also the correct answer. Which type of ego? Because he start work. What is egoless? Why he is saying this? I am egoless. Why he is saying? So he will help you out, and he will become your best friend.
Okay, it is just our reflection. We have to see our reflection.
Yeah.
Correct.
And then you will find lots and lots what problem you have inside, and how many types of problem you are facing with. And you can journaling also, you can write also, ki I am facing this problem, and by this problem you can do scripting, ki today I met this person and he was saying negative to me. He was very negative to me, and I got anger, too much anger, and I thought that I should do something very pathetic with that person. I'm telling extreme, because students are doing like this stuff. I will give him, ma'am, and I will not understand him why he is saying me like this, and always why I should go through listening and all that. So you will when you do scripting now, and when you after doing scripting, when you will learn that, you will get the answer ki yeah dekho how many things I am doing wrong in my life, and with myself and with the others also. This will also help you.
Correct, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Accept the gratitude from American College Madurai and Department of Psychology, American College Madurai, with the Elopon Counseling Center, Nulambur, and Deccan Positive Mental Health Practitioners Association. Very good section, ma'am. We need more and more section from you. Good awareness which you made to spread the word acts. Be present, not to be in the future or in the past. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.